Sanibonani football lovers, welcome to BKS Sports with Bongi Nkosi. Ngithembe ukuthi nikahle niyaphila. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. If you have already subscribed, please don't forget to leave a like on the video. Ngawenza omkhulu umehluko futhi ngingabonga kakhulu. Danko. It seems like Kaizer Chiefs won't make any signings this transfer window. And you all know what does that mean? Yeah, asingayikhohlisi. And we have to accept and we must make peace with that. I don't know how do you feel about this thing, but I for one, I completely understand where they are coming from, to be honest. We have many players in Naturena. And we know very well that for a team to bolster their squad, they need to desperately find a player that they need. A special player, as Pop Steak did mention, they won't make any signings this transfer window, not unless it is a special player that can make them at least change their minds, which will add another player. Because having many players is difficult to manage. But that's not the case. Let's be honest. I think the players that we have is not only about me saying that they have potential, but it's me saying these players, they do perform. The only thing that is missing are the results. Now, corner, I think people are panicking because of the last 3 games that we played. Those draws. But if you have to sit down and then try to do a background check, you will see that the team does play good football. It's just that the results were not on our side on those 3 last games that we played last year. But the important thing now is for the club to sit down and then they evaluate and then they do a self-introspection and then they say, okay, for now, if you don't make any signings, what does that mean? Let's start now preparing for the June transfer window, the winter transfer window. Because why? Having a scout like Utera Maliwa or a head of recruitment for Kaizer Chiefs, it will benefit the club. That's why now you see them, they don't make any rational decisions because they now understand in order for them to find the players that they want, they must make sure that they do proper profiling, do proper scouting, and they must make sure that the player that they want to sign is of the caliber of Kaizer Chiefs, not just any player. And they must make sure that that player that they want won't find it difficult to adjust in Naturena. But the important thing now, I think it's all about them not wanting to cause a disruption in the squad. Knowing very well to Cedric Kaze and Khalil Ben Yusuf, they've tried their utmost best to make sure that the squad is in the right shape, the gents are in the right state of mind so that they can compete. And that chemistry that they have with the players, they don't want to disrupt that, but they want that continuity that let's let the coach work with these players so that if it happens that they don't get the desired result, we know which step we need to take next. Because we know very well ukuthi umsebenzi kaCedric Kaze and uKhalil Ben Yusuf usengcupheni. They've been given an ultimatum ukuthi if you don't produce the results that you want by the end of the season, simply means that you have to go. What does that do psychologically? They will try by all means to bring their A game, give everything that they have in their sleeves so that Kaizer Chiefs can become the team that they want. Because now it's all about them at the back of their heads. There's this voice playing that if ever we don't do well, they will let us go. And they won't want to see themselves going because kumnandi Naturena. So what will they do? One thing that they will do for sure, I know, Uguti, they are now giving the coaches, the co-coaches, the task and the players that their contract will eventually come to an end at the end of the season. Or June on the transfer window that is coming. So what will happen is that these players, they will try by all means to do what? To prove themselves that they deserve a contract extension. And that is a good strategy for them. Guti, we don't want to bring players amasha while already this team is performing the way it is performing, while this team has already become united. So bringing new players, it simply means that the coach must try by all means to make sure that they become part of the squad. But for now, let's let the coaches be, let's let the players be. But if they don't give us what we want, we'll let them go. Talking about players like Ox, Pule Mode, Dylan Solomons, Bruce Vuma, Zita Kunik, those are the players that I think Guti, they will try by all means to improve themselves. Because if we look at those players I've just mentioned, some of the players, they are not doing justice to their jobs. Some are doing justice to their jobs. So we'll see on the second round. Then that's where Kaizer Chiefs will decide with, okay, I think now it's time for us to bolster our squad. Because we have many players, some of them haven't played yet, and yet we are shouting for players to be signed, whilst the others that are still here are not released, that are not giving us anything. But besides that, I believe this squad is capable. And another reason that makes them not to consider signing players, I think, is the fact that they have enough players that can give them the results that they want, because they also have players that play multiple positions, players that are very versatile, that can be converted into other positions, because you are stressing about that DM position, but you know what, they can utilize some of the players there in that position. Same with the right wing. Khanyisa Mayo can be used as a right wing. That's why we see they are quiet about them making any marquee signings, because now I think the pressure is not about Kaizer Chiefs signing the players, but it's the pressure coming from other FCs announcing their marquee signings. And now it puts our fans with pressure, would know we need to sign something so that at least nathi kubonakala ukuthi sikhona. As I always say, you can be active with transfer window, but don't be reactive, because you end up signing players that you don't need, but players that you want for the sake of you being part of that trend that we have signed. Whilst it's unnecessary, you need to sign the right players that you know they have that character to play for Kaizer Chiefs. But I don't know, what do you think about that? But okwamanje athi ngithi nginikhumbuze ukuthi please ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe to the channel. It means a lot to me. So asiqhubeke. So meaning uThera Maliwa is not just there for fun and games, but it actually means business, because I've once listened to a podcast whereby he was explaining going to the transfer room with Ukaizer Junior was helpful, because you understand what is needed, what is on the market, the type of players that you can sign, the budget that you can be able to see yourself, that bracket. These are the players that we need to sign. But the important thing, it is important for you to have that database. These are the kind of players that I need in the club. If I have to send scout, I give North Africa, West of Africa, kuyobhekwa ama-players, akwenziwe njalo. But even though it won't be easy, but the important thing is to build relationships, personal relationships with these clubs, so that even if you make a last minute call, there's this player that I want, it becomes easier for you to get it, because you understand very well if club to club agreement is not met, that deal is as good as not being done. So the importance of Uthera is low, but it's not about that. He understands if we sign a player, just because he's doing good at Its Galaxy, he's doing good at Richards Bay, it does not mean that he will do well at Naturena, because of the pressure that comes with playing for Kaizer Chiefs. Because some players, it might be one season, Ushisi Court, but next season he's no longer the same person. he was in form. Makafike neChurena, he finds it difficult to adjust. Mawuthi uyabheka ne-adjustment period yakhe, it takes longer than expected. So the main goal was to not to make or to take risk that they know very well ukuthi it don't be easy for them ukuthi bacope with the consequences that will come if that particular player doesn't give them what they want. So it's all about them making sure that they monitor every situation, pay attention to the little detail. Because if I remember very well, this is not the first time. I remember, I think it was the season 2023-2024 when Kelvin Johnson was an interim coach. There was a transfer window where we didn't sign any players because I think the coach saw as good if they don't sign, because he saw good it will be pointless. Season says ophela, you are bringing players. What do we expect to uzokugaya kona lelo player? But it's not about that. It's about you not following the crowd, but you doing what you think is right. But for now, I could also agree with them. Good, no, let's let things be. Allow other teams to make those signings, because maybe one they have a different strategy compared to what Kaizer Chiefs has. Yabo. Because Kaizer Chiefs now is in a situation which mele idile nama players that afuna ukhushilelwa ama salary, abafuna ama better contract, nalaba mele bahambe. So for now it's all about, let's put the club first and then we'll take that decision when we see which now it's either things are getting worse or we see which okay, there's nothing that can be done. We can sign ama players. But for now, I think we are covered. We have many players, but we have different sentiments. I don't know what do you think, but the important thing here is to understand where is Kaizer Chiefs coming from. It's not about them not wanting to spend, but it's about them being cautious, not wanting to make and take ama unnecessary risk. But for now, nginishiya nje ngamagama athi ungavumeli umoya uphephulela le eNtshonalanga nawe bese uye eNtshonalanga, because awazi ukuthi la uyakhona uyobhekana naziphi ingqinamba. But the fact that Kaizer Chiefs now inkungu ngathi seyasuka emehlweni, now they understand ukuthi okay, it is better not to react, because logo kungakwenza ube vulnerable, because every time they will try to secure a player, but bayazi ukuthi bazohlangabezana nobupho obunzima, so inflate ama price, so they don't want to be prone to that, because bayazi ukuthi bona babafuna nje imali, and then uthi uyafika nalelo player lengabi ile nto abayifisa.